lovelies. If you talk about delicious seafood with pocket friendly, also an aircraft themed restaurant, then my friend, Flyers and his crew brings you the perfect deal if you are in Calcutta. You can feel the experience of being in first class and also take off without a seatbelt with belly full with mouth-savoring delicacies. Need a break from an ordinary restaurant? Then what are you waiting for? So it was a fine evening. Crossing by the clock tower, you can almost feel like the sun is dying. And with the moment, I had my best people with me, my sister and one of my friend, in a cab going to try seafood in Calcutta. We reached the spot and you can pretty much tell how well groomed the people are. And going through the menu, it was pretty hard to decide what to have because everything seemed legit.
ग्रैब करो और एक क्या बोल रहे हो स्क्विड करो है ना that was like squid octopus crab oh my god.
So we are placing an order for a squid, octopus and a crab and also some mocktails and also clicking pictures. These girls, I tell you, cannot live without their phones. Can you concentrate on food, please?
How it tastes. I don't know. I'm so scared, man. Oh my god. This look. डर लग रहा है मेरे को. Why? कुछ नहीं होगा. अट्रैक्ट तो नहीं करेगा ना मेरे मुंह के अंदर. Okay, I'll just try once. Like. Because of the sauce, I think हम लोग octopus का real taste ही नहीं पता चल रहा है ना. But it's okay. This is a crab actually. अभी हम लोग crab try करेंगे and I think crab का ना अंदर में होता है इसका सारा जो होता है. So let's try this crab. हाँ हाथ से खा.
By all means, being an Indian and you don't use your hands, that is like something that's not possible. And also, don't mind that we have sanitized our hands and washed it so we can clearly have with our hands. And seriously, the crab was so tasty. And it was time for some mocktails. You can see the Blue Lagoon there. And a mojito, and the other one I don't know the name of, but also it's looking so fab. So the very day I was going green and also my mojito was also green and I was just having fun.
But now फिर से आता है स्क्विड गेम्स है ना. I'll just try. You be the dog. You tell the same, yeah? Oh yeah. You be the dog. Squid is nice, yeah. Okay, this is coconut actually. Liking it. लेकिन मजा नहीं है यार. My Blue Lagoon and
So some of you might be wondering what is that? That is a bamboo biryani. That was the first time that I saw and trust me, I was shook. And now I'm gonna show you how they open that and also They are serving it to us and it looks so fab and it was really, really tasty. The rice inside that bamboo was really cooked well, and you could tell the biryani was really fab, and also the chicken inside it was so tender. I was just loving it. It was not like a conventional biryani that you have. It was something else, I tell you. And the chicken curry, you can see, it was spicy. And now when I think of that curry, my mouth just waters. Actually, I'm drooling when I see this. It was really, really tasty and spicy. So the bamboo biryani is here. We're going to eat that now. I'm going to try the bamboo biryani. Let's try the biryani. You might be thinking that I'm exaggerating, but seriously, my mouth was exploded with the spices of the biryani because it was so tasty. And trust me, with the scene and the ambient, I mean, it was something else. And these two girls, they cannot stop using phone. So we cannot finish the fried rice, but we are packing with us because we will not waste our food, and we are taking off right now. You can see. Take off forever. So guys, with that we come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're planning to go there and have that first class feeling with a good meal, then you should go there if you are in Calcutta. And also please take care, new variant of COVID is out. Make sure you sanitize yourself well, and also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this video. I love you all. Take care. Mwah.